Hello my gorgeous fam, good morning, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chichi. I'm a mom YouTuber based in Germany, and in this platform I do skincare product review, beauty, lifestyle, fashion and lots more. So if that is what interests you, please don't forget to hit the subscription button to join this amazing family. All we do here is look good, how to look good, how to stay beautiful. So subscription is free, they're not going to charge you. Join this amazing family and enjoy the teachings, the learnings, the reviews. So guys, today I'll be talking about chemical exfoliation and the benefits of chemical exfoliation, and why is chemical exfoliation better than the tropical exfoliation, like the physical exfoliation. So guys, if you want to see this video, sit back, don't go away, and enjoy this video. My lovelies, I said I'll be talking about chemical exfoliation. So we have like two types of exfoliation. Like, I know we have the chemical exfoliation and the physical one. Yeah, like the tropical one, call it the physical and chemical exfoliation. So I've read through it and I've checked through it, and I've been practicing this for like years now, and I find out that chemical exfoliation is actually better than the physical exfoliation. So because why, the chemical exfoliation goes right into the skin epidermis and do the work, like go inside the skin directly and perform what it's supposed to do. So you get like a 9/10, like let's say 10/10, a very good result by doing the chemical exfoliation. While when you do the physical exfoliation, you do only the surface of the skin, like it's not going to penetrate into your skin, into the skin epidermis. It's going to just exfoliate the top layer of your skin, which can also cause breakout for your skin. Like if you over exfoliate it, if you don't take care, you can break out. You can start breaking out from nowhere. You start having acne. So some people over exfoliate their skin by using sugar scrub on the physical, like the physical exfoliation. They use sugar scrub on their face, on their body, and they over exfoliate, they over scrub it. So this can actually cause skin breakouts, skin damage. It can cause a lot of bruises on your skin. So that's why I opt for chemical exfoliation, and it's way better. If I say cheaper, it's better. You get the effect, like the glow comes immediately after your chemical exfoliation. So guys, I'll be showing you guys 3 different chemical exfoliation products you can use, you can get at the drugstore shop. So affordable and very effective, guys. Like I said, the chemical exfoliation, number 1 on my list is the ordinary AHA 30% and the BHA 2%. So this I've been using for a very long time. Like the time I was having breakout, I stopped doing the physical exfoliation, and I was advised by my dermatologist to go for the chemical exfoliation. So I started using this, I think, yeah, like 2 years ago. I've been using this, not every day. You exfoliate like 2 to 3 times in a week. For me, I think 2 times is okay. Is the maximum I can go for my exfoliation. You don't overdo it. So if you are those type that have oily skin, I would advise you to go 2 times in a week. And if you have normal to dry skin, like if you have dry skin, you go once a week. You go 2 times a week for your exfoliation. But if you have combination skin, yeah, combination skin, like oily skin, you go 2 times. Dry skin, sorry, you go once, because you don't want to over dry out your skin, the oils on your skin. So this is very nice. When we hear chemical, it's not that we are going to put chemical on our skin and burn the skin. No, these are very mild. You just have the AHA, that's the alpha hydroxy acid 30%, and the BHA, beta hydroxy acid 2%. And this is very good. This will go to your skin epidermis to exfoliate your skin from the inside, taking out the excess oil, excess dirt, and making your skin glow. In fact, when you finish using this, you get the glow, instant glow. This is what you get, instant glow. How do you use this chemical exfoliation? After washing your face, you go ahead and apply this like 3 drop. Dry your face, make sure your face is dry without water. You use this. I think I made a video where I was using it on my shorts. Go through my shorts videos, you see where I did this, where I was using this the ordinary exfoliating product. So you use this on your skin on a very dry face, not wet, because it's going to irritate your skin if your skin has water. So use this on your skin. Just add drops, like 4 drops on your face, and I'll spread it with your fingertip. Don't scrub. Just spread it on your skin with your fingertips and allow this to sit for maximum of 10 minutes. If you cannot tolerate it as a beginner, I would advise you to leave this for 5 minutes, because on the first beginning, you're going to get itching sensation, like you're going to get this burning sensation, but it's nothing to worry about. On the first day I tried it, I was like, oh, my skin is burning, my skin is burning, but no, it's not going to burn. So you allow this to sit 5 minutes. If you are a new user, if you are a beginner, you use this, leave it for 5 minutes. But the normal time that is recommended of this is 10 minutes, not to exceed that 10 minutes. Okay, you leave it for 10 minutes and you feel it dry on your skin. It looks like this. It has this reddish blood color. So this is how they call this the bloody exfoliating ordinary skincare product. So this is how you use it. Okay, guys. So number 2 on my list. The number 2 on my list is this toner. This ordinary glycolic acid 7% toner, pH 36 solution. This is also an exfoliating toner. This toner, you can also use it to exfoliate your skin. So when you are using this toner, I advise you don't use this every day, because some people make mistake of using this every day. I myself, I also did it. I was using it 3 to 4 times a week because it's so strong. So you use this like 1 to 2 times a week, or maximum 3 times a week. This helps to exfoliate your skin. This is a normal living exfoliating product. After doing your skincare, use your cotton pad, apply some on your cotton pad, and just sweep over your face and allow this to dry off. Continue with your skincare regimen. You don't wash out this. This is an exfoliant that stays on the skin. And guys, trust me, this glows the skin. Let me just say, the ordinary products they are very amazing. Another one on my list, the third one on my list, I don't have it here, is the lactic acid. The lactic acid is so mild. So if you don't want to go with the BHA and the AHA, you can start with the lactic acid. It's very mild. You use the lactic acid 2 times a week and you see your skin glowing. So guys, let's talk about the next one. The next one is this one I just discovered. This is the On-Skin enzymatic peeling. This is also a skin peeling. Is skin peeling with zinc, 2% niacinamide, and mandelic acid that with probiotic. So this is very mild. I bought this from the drugstore shop Müller. So if you live in Germany, you can get this from the drugstore shop that is Müller. And these 2 other ones, you can get them from Douglas. And this one is so nice. It's just like a water-based water-based peeling solution. I don't want to bring it out. You can see how it's looking. All you do is clean your face with your mouth cleanser, like the CeraVe cleanser. Apply this on a dry skin after cleaning your face and allow this to sit for 10 minutes. It's written at the back, and you do this, is written here 2 to 3 times a week, like I said, but I do 2 times a week, and rinse it off and you see your skin glows. And I love all the ingredients that is in this peeling solution. You have your niacinamide, you have your zinc, you have your mandelic acid. We all know zinc is good for acne prone skin. It helps to reduce your pores, the pores on your skin. And niacinamide help for blemishes, and mandelic acid help for spots, to clear spots and post acne inflammation on the skin. So the last but not the least on my list is this Lacura Radiant Skin Peeling Pads. This also exfoliating agent, chemical exfoliating. It is the AHA fruit acid. It is very good. It's anti-aging, for even complexion, skin, and for skin build, to build up your skin tone. And this is very nice. This one is so easy. It's just like a pad. You can see I just have one left here. So I use this when I'm traveling, when I don't want to carry any liquidy. I used this last time I traveled. I just throw it into my luggage, and I was able to exfoliate my skin when I went to Africa, or when last time I traveled to Italy, I went with this. So this is how I usually do it. You just, after washing your face on a clean skin, pat your skin dry, take one of these cotton pads and just sweep over your face, the places you have spots. You feel a little tingly sensation. Yes, it's normal. It's a fruit acid peeling solution, and you use this on your face and allow it to sit 10 to 15 minutes when you are taking your bath, you rinse it off and you follow up with your skincare, and your skin will be looking so beautiful, flawless, glowy, and your skin tone is going to improve. So this chemical exfoliation can actually brighten up your skin, lighten up your skin tone, and give you that youthful look. Is anti-aging, anti-inflammatory, anti-dark spot. You see your dark spot will be reducing on a daily basis. You're not going to have that so dark spot on your face. Your dark spot is not going to clear it overnight, but trust me guys, by the time you continue doing this skin exfoliating, using the chemical exfoliation process, your skin, in no just time, your skin is going to look beautiful, glowy, and youthful, because these are probiotic and they are very, very good for the skin. Like niacinamide is cremates are very, very good for the skin. So guys, that is all I have for you guys today. If you have been doing the physical exfoliation, break a little bit, so you come back and thank me later. If you have been doing this physical exfoliation, try chemical exfoliation and thank me later. So that brings us to the end of this video. Thanks for watching. I love you guys. Stay blessed and stay beautiful until I come your way next time. Bye-bye.